It says science must drive solutions to climate change. Manipur Gama. So climate change is a big issue now in the state of Manipur. From the different aspect, how do you look at it?
See, there is a huge problem of climate change. I'll tell you about like 2 points, 2 things. Okay, one is the Delhi, where the AQI is having a very big problem. Okay. Second is the Aravalli Hills, which the Modi government has decided to cut it up to 100 meters.
Yes.
The hills, Aravalli Hills is the place from where the marble supply of the country comes.
Yes.
Now to get, see, for example, the people living in and around Aravalli Hills, they have staged a huge protest. Okay, although they can get a huge amount of money if they negotiate. It's like 40,000 crores of marble inside the hills. Okay, if they extract it, if they mine it, the people over there are going to get rich. But to them, environment is more important than our earnings. Although they can get that money and shift it to somewhere, some better place like Himachal Pradesh, maybe Uttarakhand, or maybe some other area. They love their land. But as far as the Delhi, Manipur and other areas are concerned, we have to look at a different angle, because we are a developing country, and all of the developed country, when they were developing, have faced it. We have to learn from them. For example, China, for example, Canada, UK, they have already faced bad AQI. Okay, the poorest AQI. 4 years back, China even have to answer questions at the United Nations regarding their air quality, regarding their environment. Okay? So in Manipur, I think we still have a lot of time to learn regarding this. For example, I've seen some farmers who have been burning their paddy waste after harvest, thinking that all those this thing, the waste are not supposed to be there on their field. Paddy waste burning increases the decreases the quality of the air. Other thing is that while road constructions happen in different area, we have to make sure that all the roads remain on good quality. The maintenance should be done on at par. For instance, people needs to get aware after a new road is constructed, a new tender is flooded. After that, normally the contractor has to maintain the road for at least 3 years, which is to be 2 rainy. At least it should be maintained for 2 rainy season. Most of the time, we have seen that maximum of the contractor working in Manipur have not maintained the road. After construction, they just leave it. Okay. They wait for a new tender after 2-3 years. Okay, so such kind of things should be made aware. Environment and ecology is something which can be controlled through a policy with the help of the people. Only government cannot implement environment protection. You cannot find everyone because there is a lot of fault within the government as well. For example, 3 years back, the Green Tribunal had called the Chief Secretary of Manipur and had asked a fine of nearly 2 lakh every month, just because our effluent treatment plant, the medical waste treatment plant was not functional, which is now being done by Caesar Hospital and RIMS. See, there are certain things which has to go with policy, which has to go with funding, and there are certain things which the people should understand, and the people should be doing the needful. Everyone should plant at least 1-2 trees within their apartment. Everyone should have a terrace garden. Everyone should have, every lekai, every club should go for a proper tree plantation. Trees should be distributed within the urban areas as well, where are some spaces, because we need to have a very good air quality when we start developing. When industries come down, when a lot of industries and a lot of construction goes happening, then the air quality actually decreases. So these are the things. It is related to policy matter and public awareness. Both sides has to take proper steps. Only government taking a proper step, government only working on policies and not implementing it, not being implemented by the people is not what. That's it.
So for the climate change to give a chance to refresh and renew itself, we need policy, at the same time participation from the people. So science can be one of the agents to enhance the participations or the policy matter. That's what you are saying, sir. So